Oh, there's my Gypsy. Hi, Gypsy. Hi, girlfriend. Yeah. Bring it here, Roscoe. Bring it here. Bring it here. Mystic, where'd you go? Where'd you go, Mystic? Hey, Roscoe, you ready? All right. And, oh, anybody's coming. Here we go. Woo! Yay! Yay! Bring it here, Roscoe. Bring it here. Bring it here, Roscoe. Roscoe, gotta bring it here. Bring it here, Roscoe. Bring it here. Yeah, it's a good boy. Good boy, Roscoe. Okay, I got it now, don't I? Oh, you just got it for me, didn't you? Ooh, ooh. We got Gypsy. Why don't you give him a run for the money, huh? Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Oh, Gypsy, you didn't even try for it. Yeah, I know. Oh, my goodness. Mystic, oh, there you are, Mystic. Did you go get a drink of water? Yes, you did, didn't you? Yes, you did. Good to see you. Oh, good to see you. Oh, my gosh. Bring it here, Roscoe. Bring it here, Roscoe. Bring it here, Gypsy. Who's got it? Who's got it now? Oh, Gypsy's got it now. Good girl. Good girl, Miss Gypsy. You got it now, don't you? Yes, you do. Oh, Roscoe. Here we go. Let's go get it. Oh. Yeah. Bring it here, Roscoe. Bring it here. Bring your toy here. Bring it here, Roscoe. Bring it here. Roscoe. Bring it here, Roscoe. Where'd it go? Oh, you were so cute. You were so cute, Gypsy. There's Roscoe. Bring it here, Roscoe. Oh, you're just keeping it for yourself. Is that it? You're just keeping it all to yourself, huh? Oh, well. I don't think so. I don't think that's very fair, is it, Roscoe? Did I get you? Oh, yes, I did. Yeah. I don't think that's very fair. Oh, Gypsy, you can get it from him. Girls rule, right? Boys drool.